Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Actually, I'm feeling very excited today.
Excited? That's wonderful. Why are you excited?
Well, I just got a new phone, a very smart phone with a big screen and so many apps.
Oh, a new smartphone. That's amazing. I love new technology.
Me too. And actually, that's perfect because today we're talking about technology, right?
Yes, exactly. Today our topic is technology and how it changes our daily life.
This is a great topic. Technology is everywhere now.
It really is. We use it for everything: work, home, entertainment, communication.
Everything. But before we start, everyone listening, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please remember to subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Yes, please subscribe and click the like button. It helps us so much.
And please share our podcast with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you. We really appreciate it.
Okay, Tom, are you ready to talk about technology?
I am ready, very ready.
Perfect. So let's start with a simple question. What technology do you use every single day?
Every single day. Hmm. Well, my phone, of course.
Of course, the smartphone.
Yes. I wake up and the first thing I do is check my phone.
Really? The very first thing?
Yes, is that bad?
Well, many people do it. What do you check?
I check the time. I check my messages. I check the news.
All on your phone.
Yes, everything is on my phone. What about you, Sarah? Do you check your phone first thing in the morning?
I try not to. I try to wait until after breakfast.
You have more discipline than me.
Maybe. But I use my phone all day too, for work, for music, for photos.
Yes, I take so many photos with my phone.
Me too. The camera on smartphones is amazing now.
It is. 10 years ago, we needed a big camera to take good photos.
That's right. A heavy camera with film inside.
Do you remember film?
I do. You took the photos, but you couldn't see them right away.
No, you had to wait. You took the film to a shop.
And the shop developed the photos.
Yes, it took maybe 1 week.
1 week. That's so long.
And sometimes the photos were bad, blurry, or too dark.
Yes. And you couldn't delete them or try again.
Now with a smartphone, you take the photo and you see it immediately.
Immediately. And if you don't like it, you delete it and take another one.
Exactly. Technology makes photography so easy.
It does. And we can share photos instantly too.
Share. How?
Well, we can send them to friends through messages or email.
Oh, yes. Or we post them on social media.
Social media, that's another big change.
It is. We can share our life with people all over the world.
All over the world. That's amazing when you think about it.
It is. My cousin lives in Australia, very far away.
Australia is very far.
But I see his photos every day. I see what he's doing, where he's traveling, what he's eating.
So even though he's far away, you feel connected.
Connected. That's a good word. Technology connects us.
It does. It makes the world smaller.
Smaller and closer.
So phones are very important. What other technology do you use every day, Tom?
I use my computer for work.
A laptop or a desktop?
A laptop. I like that I can move it around.
Me too. Laptops are very convenient.
Yes, I can work in my office, or I can work in a cafe, or I can work at home.
Anywhere you want.
Exactly. Before laptops, you had to stay in one place with a big computer.
That's true. Computers were very big and very heavy.
Now they're light and fast.
Very fast. And we can do so much with them.
Like what?
Well, we can write documents, send emails, watch videos, listen to music,
Make presentations, edit photos, create art.
even make podcasts.
Yes, we're using technology right now to make this podcast.
That's right. Without computers and microphones and the internet, we couldn't do this.
The internet. That's the biggest technology of all.
It really is. The internet changed everything.
Everything communication, shopping, entertainment, learning.
Learning, that's so important. People can learn anything on the internet.
Anything. You want to learn English? There are websites and apps and podcasts.
Like Everyday English Lab.
Exactly. You want to learn cooking? There are videos and recipes.
You want to learn music? There are lessons online.
It's incredible. All this information is available to everyone.
Everyone with an internet connection.
Yes, that's an important point. We're lucky to have internet access.
We are. It's a powerful tool for education.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Of course, Tom.
Do you remember life before the internet?
I do. It was very different.
How was it different?
Well, if I wanted to know something, I had to look in a book.
A book like an encyclopedia?
Yes, exactly. Big, heavy books with lots of information.
We had those at school. The library had many shelves of encyclopedias,
Now we just type a question into a search engine.
and we get the answer in seconds.
In seconds. It's so fast.
It's amazing. But Sarah, I have a question.
What's your question?
Is all this technology good, or is some of it bad?
That's a very good question, Tom.
I mean, technology helps us a lot,
It does.
but sometimes I think we use it too much.
Too much. How do you mean?
Well, I look at my phone all the time, even when I'm with friends.
Ah, I see. You're with people, but you're looking at your screen.
Yes, is that rude?
It can be. It's important to be present with the people around you.
Present. I like that word. Be there. Be in the moment.
Exactly. Technology is wonderful, but real human connection is more important.
You're right. I should put my phone away more often.
We all should. It's okay to disconnect sometimes.
Disconnect, turn off the phone.
Yes. Take a break from screens.
Do you take breaks from technology, Sarah?
I try to. On the weekend, I like to go for walks without my phone.
Without your phone? Aren't you worried you'll miss something?
At first, yes, but then I feel free.
Free?
Yes. I just walk and look at the trees and the sky. I listen to the birds.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. Very peaceful. And when I come back, nothing important has happened.
Really?
Really, we think we need to be connected all the time, but we don't.
That's a good lesson. Balance is important.
Balance. Yes. Use technology, but don't let it control your life.
I will try that. Maybe one day a week, no phone.
That's a great idea, Tom.
Okay. So, technology is good when we use it the right way.
Exactly.
What about technology at home? Do you have smart technology in your house?
I have a few things. I have a smart speaker.
A smart speaker? What does it do?
I can talk to it and it answers my questions.
Like a robot?
Kind of. I say, "What's the weather today?" And it tells me.
Wow, that's useful.
It is. I also use it to play music.
You just ask for a song?
Yes. I say, "Play jazz music," and it plays jazz.
That's amazing. Music whenever you want.
Whenever I want. No CDs, no radio, just my voice.
Now we just stream music from the internet.
That means the music comes directly to us through the internet.
Yes, millions of songs available instantly.
It's incredible when you think about how much has changed.
It really is. What other smart things do you have?
I have smart lights.
Smart lights?
Yes, I can control them with my phone.
How?
I open an app and I can turn the lights on or off
Without getting up?
without getting up. And I can change the color.
The color? Lights have colors?
These ones do. I can make them blue or red or green
Why would you want green lights?
for fun or for a party. It creates a mood.
That's interesting. Technology makes even lights more fun.
It does. What about you, Tom? Do you have any smart devices at home?
I have a smart TV.
A smart TV. What makes it smart?
It connects to the internet. I can watch shows and movies from different apps. I don't need cable TV anymore.
Cable TV is becoming old-fashioned.
It is. Everything is streaming now.
Do you like that?
I do. I can watch what I want, when I want.
No waiting for a specific time.
No waiting, no commercials.
That's a big advantage.
It is. But sometimes there are too many choices.
Too many choices?
Yes, I spend 20 minutes trying to decide what to watch.
Oh, I know that feeling. You look and can't decide.
Exactly. Maybe too much choice is not always good.
That's true. Sometimes simple is better.
Sometimes. But overall, I like my smart TV.
Technology for entertainment is very advanced now.
Very advanced. We can also play games.
Video games?
Yes. The graphics are so realistic now.
Realistic. They look almost real.
Almost like real life. The technology is incredible.
Do you play video games, Tom?
Sometimes, not too much, but I enjoy them.
What kind of games?
I like adventure games, exploring new worlds.
That sounds fun.
It is. And you can play with friends online.
Online, even if they live far away.
Yes, my friend lives in another country, but we play together every week.
That's another way technology connects people.
It is. We talk while we play. We laugh. It's like we're in the same room.
Technology can bring joy.
It can, when we use it well.
Tom, let's talk about technology and work.
Oh, yes, technology changed work a lot.
It did.
Well, now many people can work from home.
Work from home. That's a big change.
It is. Before, everyone had to go to an office.
Now we have video calls.
Video calls. We can have meetings without being in the same place.
That saves time.
So much time. No commute. No traffic.
No traffic. That's nice.
I can work in my comfortable clothes.
In your pajamas?
Well, on the top, I wear a nice shirt for the video call.
And on the bottom?
Pajama pants.
Tom! That's funny.
No one can see. Why not be comfortable?
That's a good point. Technology makes work more flexible.
Flexible. Yes, I like that word. We can work in different ways.
Different places, different times.
Some people like working at night.
Night? Really?
Yes, they're more creative at night. Technology lets them do that.
That's true. As long as the work gets done, it doesn't matter when.
Exactly. Technology gives us freedom. But Sarah, do you think technology makes us work too much?
Too much? What do you mean?
Well, we can always check our email on our phone.
Oh, I see. Even after work hours.
Yes, even on vacation, even at night.
That's a problem. We never really stop working.
Exactly. Before you left the office and work was over,
Now work follows us everywhere.
on our phones, on our laptops.
We need to set boundaries.
Oh, I like that rule.
On the weekend, no work calls.
That's important for rest.
It is. Technology is a tool. We control it. It shouldn't control us.
You're right. We need to be smart about how we use technology. Sarah, what do you think technology will be like in the future?
In the future? That's a big question.
I know, but it's fun to think about.
It is. I think technology will be even more connected to our daily lives.
More connected? How?
Well, maybe our homes will be completely smart.
Completely smart?
Yes. The house will know when you wake up and start the coffee.
Automatic coffee? I like that.
The house will know when you leave and turn off all the lights.
To save energy.
Exactly. And maybe our cars will drive themselves.
Self-driving cars. I've heard about those.
They're being developed now. In the future, maybe we just sit and relax.
And the car takes us where we need to go.
Yes. Safe and efficient.
That sounds like science fiction.
It does, but technology moves very fast.
Things that seemed impossible 20 years ago are normal now.
That's true. What do you think will happen, Tom?
I think we'll have better translation technology.
Translation?
Yes. Right now we can translate text easily.
On our phones.
But in the future, maybe we can speak any language.
How?
With a small device. I speak English. It translates to Japanese in real time.
Real time. At the same moment.
Yes, the other person hears Japanese.
That would be amazing for communication.
It would. No language barriers.
Everyone could understand everyone.
Exactly.
Technology could bring the world even closer together.
I hope so. That's the good side of technology. Wow, Sarah, we talked about so many things today.
We did. Phones, computers, the internet, smart homes, the future.
Technology really is everywhere.
It is. It changes our lives in big ways and small ways.
Big ways and small ways. I like that.
And the most important thing to remember is balance.
Balance. Use technology, but don't forget real life.
Don't forget real people, real experiences, real moments.
That's beautiful, Sarah.
Thank you, Tom. Well, I think that's all the time we have for today.
Already, time goes fast when we're having fun.
It does. This was a great conversation.
It was. I learned a lot.
Me too. And I hope our listeners learned something new today.
I hope so too. Before we finish, we have a question for everyone.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite piece of technology?
Is it your phone, your computer, your smart TV?
Or maybe something else?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Yes, subscribe and click the like button.
It really helps us create more episodes for you.
And share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
Thank you. It was wonderful to talk about technology with you.
See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye for now.